How to log in on Reddit using Apple ID. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account using your Apple ID? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Reddit on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now click on sign up/login. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options. Thus select the continue with Apple. After you tap on it, click on continue. Now verify your Face ID. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your account will be logged in with your Apple ID. Now create your username according to your preference. After you write it down, click on continue. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna create an account on Reddit. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna log in our account with your Apple ID and Reddit app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.